So if A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, show that A power n is equal to cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. Okay, for all positive integers. Is that clear? So let S of n be the statement that A power n is equal to cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. Okay, now let n is equal to 1. So A will be equal to cos 1 theta. A power 1. In place of A, I am writing 1. In place of n, I am writing 1. So A power n. So A power 1 is equal to cos 1 theta sin 1 theta minus sin 1 theta cos 1 theta. So that will be cos theta sin theta, because 1 into theta is theta, sin theta cos theta. Okay. So therefore S of 1 is true. Therefore S of 1 is true, right? S of 1 is true. Then assume that S of k is true. We have to assume that S of k is true. So A power k, substitute k instead of n. Instead of this n, you have to substitute k. A power k will be equal to cos k theta sin k theta minus sin k theta cos k theta. Okay. Now k plus 1 is equal to, first step is over. Let n is equal to 1 is over. Now assume n is equal to k is also over. Now n is equal to k plus 1. So that is a power k plus 1. That will be a power k into a. Right? A power n into a power m will be equal to a power n plus m. Clear? So now let's say this is 1. So from equation 1, a power k will be equal to cos k theta. We are substituting, instead of a power k, we are substituting this matrix. Sin k theta minus sin k theta cos k theta into, what is a? A is nothing but cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now these two matrices are in multiplication. So multiply these two matrices, rows into columns. So cos k into cos theta will be cos k theta into cos theta minus row into column. So sin k theta minus sin theta. Sin k theta sin theta. We are multiplying. Now row into column. Just row into this column. So cos theta into sin theta, cos k theta sin theta plus sin k theta cos theta. row into column. Now again, row into column, sine k theta into cos theta minus sine k theta cos theta, row into column, that will be minus cos k theta sine theta. Then row into column, sine k minus sine k theta sine theta plus cos k theta sine, sorry, cos k theta cos theta. So with this we have multiplied our matrix. Now what is cos A plus B? What is cos A plus B? So this is in the form of cos A plus B. So that is A is k theta, B is theta. So this is in the form of cos A plus B. This one is in the form of sin A plus B. So A is k theta and B is theta. This one is in the form of sin A plus B. So first of all, take minus as common from both of them. Then we'll get at sin A plus B. So that is k theta plus theta. From this one, this is in the form of cos A plus B. So k theta plus theta. Okay. Now you can take theta common from here, theta common from here, theta common from here, and theta common from here. So take theta as common. So you will get cos k plus 1 theta sine k plus 1 theta minus sine k plus 1 theta cos k plus 1 theta. Okay. So hence s of k plus 1 is also true. Hence by the principle of mathematical induction, okay, by the principle of mathematical induction, okay, the given statement is true for all positive integers. You have to remember this, okay. Hence by the principle of mathematical induction, the given statement is true for all positive integers. Now we have to show that is equal to 2 into a b c, a plus b plus c whole cube. This matrix is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c whole cube. So for that, first of all, if I add this a and this b to this rows, okay, sorry, column, these are your columns, okay, c1 c2 c3, these are your columns. C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. If you add them, okay, then we will get it as 2A plus 2B plus 2C. So I'm adding them. So I'll get 2 into A plus B plus C, A, B. 2 into A plus B plus C, B plus C plus 2A, B. 2 into A plus B plus C, A, C plus A plus 2B. Clear? Now we can take 2ABC common. So we are taking 2A plus B plus C as common. So what will be left? 1, 1, 1. You have taken common from the row. Sorry, from the column. This is your column. We have taken 2A plus B plus C. 2 into A plus B plus C common from this matrix. So 1, 1, 1 will be left and rest will be same. A, B, B plus C plus 2A, B, A, C plus A plus 2B. Clear? Now I need to make these zeros. Okay. To make these two zeros, I can apply R1, sorry, R2 implies R2 minus R1 and R3 implies R3 minus R1. I am going to subtract these two from R1 because I want it to get in the form of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. I want to make these two zeros, these two as zeros using R1. So I'm applying this two operations. So let's see what we will get. 1 A B, that will be same, but R2 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0. B plus C plus 2A minus A will be A plus B plus C. B minus B will be 0. Again R3, 1 minus 1 is 0. A minus A is 0. C plus A plus 2B minus B is A plus B plus C. Okay. Now find the determinant. Okay. We have something left over here. 2 into A plus B plus C. Find the det of this. So that will be 2 into A plus B plus C into det. That will be 1 into ABC into ABC. That will be ABC A plus B plus C whole square minus 0. That will be 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube. This is square. This is power 1. That is whole cube. We can apply R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then we will get A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. Then we can take common. Okay. So this will be A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, and this will be same 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. Next, take A plus B plus C common. 1, 1, 1, 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B will be left. Now, what operation should I apply to get zeros? I need to get at least two zeros. 1 and 1. I can make these two zeros by applying C1, sorry, C2 implies C2 minus C1, right? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. I can make these two zeros easily by applying C2 implies C2 minus C1 and C3 implies C3 minus C1. We can get it easily. Okay. A plus B plus C. That is 1, 2B, 2C, and this I will get 0. This I will get 0. Now, subtract C2 minus C1. That is B minus C minus A minus 2B. That will be minus A minus B minus C. I'm taking minus as common. So minus of A plus B plus C. 2B minus 2B will be 0. 2C minus 2C will be 0. C minus A minus B minus 2C, that will be minus of A minus A minus B minus C. So I'm taking minus as common. So bracket minus of A plus B plus C. Now open the matrix using these twos are zero, so I have to only get this. So that will be 2 into A plus B plus C, and 1 into minus of minus is plus A plus B plus C whole square minus of 0. That will be 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube. Sorry, we did not get any 2 over here. This is equals to, so 1 1 1 2 B minus C. So okay, by applying these two operations we got this. By finding the det of this one, we got A plus B plus C is equal to whole cube, hence proved. Understood?